There's a function in Excel which very few people are aware of, as it's far less popular than our beloved if statements. However, is this function better, and will you switch over to it? Let's dive in and take a look. I have this table with a list of employees and their respective scores, and I want to create a rating for each one ranging from poor to excellent. Let's open Switch. The expression is the cell we want to evaluate to produce our output, which is cell C2. Next, type a comma to move on to the first value. Our scoring system ranges from 1 to 5, so our first value will be 1. Type another comma to move on to the first result, which for 1 will be poor. And remember, any text strings need to be contained within double quotation marks. We can now easily complete all the other values and results just by separating each one with a comma like so. Now, let's copy this down. If there are any values which don't appear in the switch function, they will create an error like this one. However, this is really simple to fix. If you come back into the formula bar and type a comma after our last result, you'll see that there's an option to add another value or create a default, which is the result that will be returned if the value doesn't exist. So in here, I'll type ungraded and then close the parenthesis. And if I copy this down again, that now removes the error. As a side note, this is how you would have needed to create this using if. The function's a lot longer and more difficult to interpret than switch. Also, it doesn't have the default return like switch does. So, what are your thoughts on this? And will you be making the switch over to it? Let me know in the comments. If you want to download this example workbook, head over to the templates and trackers link in my bio where you can download for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.